Some of the dirtiest jobs are the most important, like building healthy soil. Forget chemical fertilizers. What if your plants could make their own? Meet cover crops, sorghum, Sudan grass, and fava beans. They don't just grow, they feed your soil and your animals. These supercrops pull nutrients from the air, grow fast, and give everything back to the earth. Their roots break up hard soil, making it better for whatever you plant next. This is nature's recycling program, no chemicals needed. They create tons of green material for livestock and improve the ground below. It's a partnership between plants and microscopic organisms, working together to enrich the soil. This system has worked for centuries, long before synthetic fertilizers. Let's dig into how these plants do the heavy lifting. No lab coats, just the real dirty science happening under our feet. Understanding this process means you can put it to work in your own backyard. It's a job worth doing, and anyone can start. The secret to healthy soil? Nitrogen from the air, not a bag. Most plants can't use atmospheric nitrogen, but legumes like fava beans and clover can. Their secret weapon, rhizobia bacteria, living in their roots. The plant invites these bacteria in, forming nodules you can see on the roots. Inside, bacteria turn nitrogen gas into plant food, ammonia. In return, the plant feeds the bacteria sugars from photosynthesis. It's a self-sustaining system. The plant and bacteria help each other thrive. That's why legumes grow big without store-bought fertilizer. This process, called nitrogen fixation, is essential for life on Earth. Legumes enrich the soil, leaving it better than they found it. Planting them means you're improving your land for free. Millions of years of evolution, no chemicals required. It's a job that never stops, and your soil reaps the benefits. Does this really work? Absolutely, and fast. Forage sorghum Sudan grass can shoot up to 8 feet tall in just 60 days. That's thousands of pounds of green material per acre, perfect for livestock feed. Cut it, and it grows back for multiple harvests. Fava beans grow thick and leafy, shading soil and smothering weeds. In 2 months you get a lush, nitrogen-rich carpet from bare dirt. Plant both together, the grass breaks up soil, the beans fix nitrogen. It's teamwork. Better soil, more growth, less work for you. In just 60 days you transform lifeless dirt into a thriving ecosystem. These plants are the champions of fast natural soil building. All you need is seed, water, and a little patience. After your cover crop jungle grows, it's time for the real payoff. Chop it down and mix it into the soil. This is green manure. As it breaks down, it releases nutrients, especially nitrogen, feeding your next crop. The added organic matter improves soil structure, holds water, and feeds beneficial organisms. Want proof? Try this. Plant sorghum Sudan grass and fava beans in one bed. Leave another bare. After 60 days, compare the soil. The cover crop bed will be dark, crumbly, and alive. The bare bed? Hard and lifeless. This is the power of working with nature. Healthier soil, less need for chemicals, and more water retention. Get some seeds, get your hands dirty, and watch the transformation. You're feeding the soil that feeds you. It's hard work, but the rewards last for years. Why not start today?